Yo, 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 what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know why you clicked on this video. You're looking for a reliable and working method of getting the free Apex coins. Now, Apex coins are pretty expensive, and you can spend these coins on packs and what have you, skins, but basically guys, I've managed to find a method of getting you free Apex coins, and it only takes a few minutes. This is a redeemable code, so this is going to get you a code that you can enter in on the Apex store, and it's going to credit you the corresponding amount of coins. So I'm going to be running through these steps. Make sure you follow the tutorial carefully, and let's get you those free Apex coins. So what is going on guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free Apex coins. It's super easy. This glitch is working for 2023 and it's going to get you up to 10,000 Apex coins. You can see all you need to do this is to get your mobile phone, open up the internet, and you need obviously an internet connection. Go to Google and in Google type Sorry guys, I'm trying to type through the phone screen. Hotshot codes. Press search and you're looking for hotshotcodes.com, the #1 coupon site. So I'm going to go ahead, open that up. And on this page, you need to scroll down until you find the Apex page. So just keep scrolling and look for the Apex. There we go, Apex Legends, pretty easy. And you can see this is Apex Legends codes. Open that page up. You can see this has been rated pretty highly, guys. It's been 4.8 star rating. So scroll down this page and you can see here is what we're looking for. 10,000 coins, free Apex coins, and it's been used loads of times. So just tap on show Apex code. And you can see this is pretty much a redeem code for Apex Legends. You can enter this into the store or on the website, and it's going to add 10,000 Apex coins to your account for completely free. You can see it gives us the start of the code here, but we need to unlock the full code, guys. This is just to protect the codes to stop robots from basically taking them all. So tap on unlock now, and you're going to see this screen. Pretty easy, guys. We need to just complete 2 tasks on this page, and it's going to unlock our code. So you can see there is a list of free tasks here. You just need to choose 2 of these, following the instructions below each one, and fully complete them. So this top one, it says here, register, choose your boxes, and start your trial. So basically you need to just click on it, but your tasks are going to vary. They vary depending on your country, and you just have to basically choose any 2 that you don't mind completing. So for this one, you can see I just need to basically complete all of these steps here. I just need to create a free account. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to go and complete 2 of these. So yeah, I'll be back once I've done those. It's probably going to take me a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and return. Guys, there you go. So that took me a few minutes whilst I just completed 2 of those tasks, making sure I fully completed them. And then when you were done those, go ahead, hit your tabs button, return back to Hotshot Codes in your tabs, and you should now see this 10,000 Apex coins code, and I can then go ahead and redeem this in the game, and it's going to give me 10,000 Apex coins to spend however I want. So this is by far the easiest and best method to get yourself free Apex coins in 2023. One of you can go ahead and grab this code because I am not going to use it. So yep, go ahead, grab that one of you. But these codes can only be used once, so this is going to be used pretty quick and therefore be invalid. So you need to go to hotshotcodes.com and get your very own free Apex coin redeem codes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you successfully got your 10,000 coins. And enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next video.